Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Smash the thumbs up button down there on your phone. Hit that subscribe button. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you altcoins. I'm going to show you trades that I'm liking. Bitcoin at the moment is doing nothing and it's kind of sitting there. It's getting had a huge high volume the last few days, but yesterday and today the volume has dropped quite considerably, and that's pretty dangerous. Let's jump straight into the charts for Bitcoin, altcoins. I'm going to show you my trades, what I'll be buying now. So jumping into the chart. Bitcoin is sitting there. Let's go to Bitcoin. Sitting again on this trend line. It wicked down earlier today and then had a big pullback again. This is usually bullish. Stochastic is oversold on the 4-hourly, so I'm expecting a pump. There is just the problem is volume has been dropping lately. And volume dropping while we're trying to bounce off this trend line is not really a good thing. We need a lot of volume to come up and Bitcoin to start moving up towards 44,000. If it breaks this trend line, it will be heading down. I have trade open. This is the trade that I opened earlier. If you want to trade on Bybit, the risk is 2,300. The take profit is 5,500. It's a 2.4 ratio trade. 10x leverage will be $55,000 profits, 100x leverage, $550,000. I have that trade open over there on Bybit. It's up $78, 4.86% on Bitcoin. This trade is a $16,000 Bitcoin trade. It added to my position. My Ethereum long, which is around a $9,000 trade, is down around $31 so far, 3%, but I do believe we're going to get long as we get volume. In this account I have 179,000. Let's look at some altcoins. I got requested a lot to see Doge. Let's see what's been pumping today. We had TrueFi up 8%, Alpaca up 5%, Luna up 4%. Let's check out Luna. So Luna on the daily is overbought, actually, heading down. But it's trying to turn to head up. Squeeze Mob is still green, but heading towards the red. Money flow is flowing into Luna again, which is quite bullish, actually. On the daily, on the weekly, Luna is heading up strongly. It made all-time highs, but pulled back quite a bit. On the 4-hourly, it's oversold. It's making higher lows and higher highs, so it's actually quite bullish, Luna. In this aspect, let's look at, so going long on Luna wouldn't be a bad one. Bit, I've been buying a lot of Bit. I have almost, how much Bit do I have? I have a spot positions on Bit. I have Bit, $43,000 of Bit. I really like Bit. Let's check it out. I think I'm going to add more. It's very oversold. Stochastic is oversold, heading up. The only thing, volume dropping off, and it's at all-time lows almost. It IDO'd back here at $1.70. Now it's sitting at $1, so quite a big drop. And that's actually the seed investors were investing at $1. That's why I'm liking Bit down here. Bit is Bybit's cryptocurrency. They're the 4th biggest exchange in the world, and they make billions of dollars of profits. So I really like this cryptocurrency. It's oversold. On the daily, it's oversold, heading up. The only thing, volume dropping like the other ones. And on the 4-hourly, also oversold. But I do like Bit down here because it's at the IDO price. And you can see when it came down here last time, it had a strong bounce off here. But we do need to see volume. But if Bitcoin picks up, then the altcoins can run. But at the moment, I will add more to that as soon as we see Bitcoin starting to pick up volume. Let's look at Doge because it's super requested. I'm doing a lot of the ones that were requested. So Doge is at 11 cents. My God, if you followed my videos back in last year, in February last year, I actually called Doge when it was at 3 cents. We went to 75 cents. Now we came back all the way to 11 cents. And if you actually watch my live, I made a live when Elon Musk went on Saturday Night Live, and I told everyone, buy the rumor, sell before the news. And that's when we peaked and then fell all the way back down. It's almost erased that full gains. I bought it in February. I made videos on this channel February 2000 when it was at 3 cents. It went up to 75 cents, back to 11 cents. Crazy. Volume is almost non-existent now on Doge. Stochastic is oversold on the daily. On the monthly, it's oversold. On the weekly, it's oversold, but still heading down. On the daily, oversold. On the 4-hourly, let's see on the 4-hourly what it's doing. Oh, it's lagging a little bit. Okay, on Doge is not loading on the 4-hourly. 1 second, let's see if it loads. Okay, Doge not loading. Let's pull up another chart. Okay, Doge is not loading, but it's oversold on all those 4-hourlies. Okay, it's trying to connect again. Sorry about this, everyone. Let me turn on 4G and then back on. We've got 5. Oh, it's only got 3G right now for some reason. Okay, let's do airplane mode. Okay, it's connecting. 5G. Booyah. We're back. So Doge Doge is very oversold, but on the 4 hourly it's heading back up. Is this a place to buy? There's no volume coming in. That's the only thing. We really need to see volume start to spike. And in my opinion, volume won't spike on Doge unless Elon does something. But it does seem to be forming here a kind of descending triangle. Let's see what this draws out. It's like sitting straight on its support here. And this descending triangle, it actually broke out of this and is heading down further. We're at a point of like a strong point here, but let's see if we line up on the previous supports here. Doge is like right out of this triangle, out of this descending triangle, and it's sitting right above it. The only thing, no volume. There's no volume coming in. But this would be quite a big place to be adding to Doge. Another main support, Doge could come, I mean, the major support is down here on Doge at 6 cents. So that's a good place to actually start buying. You have a bounce at 8 cents also. These are places to be adding to Doge, but those are two major supports, 6 cents and 8 cents. Unbelievable. Went 3 cents all the way. But as soon as the bull market is back, as soon as Bitcoin is showing bullishness, Doge will be an amazing place to pick up. People will notice that. So that's Doge. Let's look at DOT. DOT had a big bounce recently. On the daily, it's midway. Volume is quite strong on DOT actually. It's not dropping like the other cryptos. But it's almost fully erased its gains. On the 4 hourly, also oversold. DOT has a major support where we're sitting right now. It's got this strong support just here at $10, and it's very close to that now, sitting at $18. It came to a low of $14. Let's check out another one. So again, the volume is just dropping on all the alts. The only one that's not is pretty much Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to start running for the alts to start picking up. Let's look at Tesla, because that's also requested. So if you want to request, let me know in the comment section below, and then I'll do a video on all of them. On the daily, Tesla is heading down on the stochastic. Not good. My target for Tesla, I've been buying Tesla a lot, but I will buy more. But my target is $633. And the stochastic on the daily is heading down. On the 4 hourly, also Tesla is heading down quite strongly. But there's a lot of volume recently, so there's been a lot of buying here, buying and selling. But it does look like it could test 689 again. But again, Tesla is quite oversold. So that's my trades. That's what I'm doing. If you want to trade and use the same trading software that I use, underneath this video, there's links down below. You can hit this thumbs up button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this. Hit the subscribe. Join 70,000 subscribers. Click the join button to follow my trades in Bitcoin, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin trading Bybit. This link down below, you get a sign up bonus of 4,100, and that gives you that trading software of Bybit, this one here that I'm using, which has $179,000 in it. This is the software that I'm using, and I really trust Bybit. I know I'm going to meet the CEO next week also, so this is the software I'm using. If you want to take the crypto course, you can learn all this with my 6,000 students. Links are all down below. So that's what I'm doing in the markets. And that's what I think is going to happen. At the moment, no volume on alts. Tesla does look like it can pull back. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Join 70,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.